Welcome to the NIAT Campus Chennai at Thakshashila University. Hi, I am Mihir, your unofficial guide for today. And in this walkthrough, you're not just going to see the campus. You're going to see where students study, build, live, and prepare for the tech world. This is where learning at NIAT looks different from traditional colleges. These classrooms are built for hands-on work where you write code, build projects, and learn from mentors who have worked in the industry. You try, you test, you build. And if something doesn't work, you fix it and keep moving forward. And once the lectures are gone, you step into this space. Super mentors from top tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta walk right in here. And these sessions aren't boring. They are filled with real stories, real advices, and sometimes real ideas for your next big project. And when those discussions get interesting, they don't just stop here. It's time to move to the sports ground. Whether you're playing seriously or just for fun, this is where the students take a break from the screens and enjoy fresh air. The campus has a football ground, a full-size cricket court, and a volleyball court. And for those who prefer indoor fun, there's table tennis too. Some play between classes, some just for fun. It's a good way to reset and relax during a busy day. And once the game ends, it's back to building at the computer labs. These labs are where NIATians write code, test ideas, and work on real-world problems. From small programs to full projects, this is where learning becomes hands-on. And taking that even further, with NIAT, we are now bringing the Tech Innovation Center to this campus. Here, students will get to work on robotics, AI, and real tech projects. You'll find the NIATians absorbing everything at the quick/focus zone here at the library, where lines of code, last-minute prep, and pages of planning come together, but in silence. And when the day ends, the hostel is the home for many NIATians. With different stay options, this is where students study, rest, and make new friends. And when it's time to eat, the hostel mess is right here. From everyday meals to weekend specials, this is where students eat together and catch up after a long day. And if you stay off campus, the college also has a bus service, making it easy to get to class on time. That's it. We've reached the end of NIAT's campus walkthrough at Thakshashila University, Chennai. And all I want to say is, whether you're coming in full of dreams or running out of a tough exam, this is where your journey to the tech world begins.